Hi, so here at G&S we've got quite an extensive range of Vikan products. We've got such as the wheel brush, which is excellent for cleaning motorcycle wheels, and obviously push bikes, anything like that. We also have just the normal foam brushes, which you can use on the bodywork and things like that. They won't damage your paintwork. They're all plastic. I think they're synthetic brushes, but they do an excellent job of just keeping that dirt off your machine.